Welcome to Lane Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. Don't start your Avail Car Share business until you watch this. Quick tip. Avail Car Share at this point, and I rent cars on multiple platforms from Turo, Hire Car, you might have heard of those, Get Around, etc. But this is the thing, Avail Car Share at this time is the only car sharing platform that pays you a guaranteed $450 per month, plus you'll earn a monthly bonus per month, and you'll earn a quarterly bonus every 3 months. Pretty cool. You get that all together, and that's if your car doesn't get rented. If it does get rented, you still get paid your daily rate plus the monthly bonus plus the quarterly bonus. You can make some really good money. You'll make well over that $450 guaranteed. Because you're also making plus the bonuses, the quarterly and the monthly. So the best part of advice is do your absolute best to understand that, understand it well. This is built to make you wealthy and build riches. The more you compound and add your cars to the platform. Do your best to make sure you understand that and understand it well. Currently now.